Good day, all of you. Today we are going to study the chapter number 9, that is social health. Before going through this chapter, first of all, we should understand what is the meaning of social health. Social health means the interaction of one person with the another person. How they interact, how much they interact, whether they are helping each other or talking to each other, whether they are gathering with all the crowd. All that behavior of the person is known as social health. How they talk, how they meet, how they greet with each other, that is all the factors that comes under social health. So it is almost that the nature of the person, how he behaves with other people in the society, is known as social health. And sometime we also classify or give some label to our classmates, like he is very interactive, he is very talkative, or he is not talkative, non-communicative, or he is only communicative when he is in need. Such type of talks we always say about some person in our classrooms also. That is the social behavior of that person. So the behavior of the person is totally depending on various factors. There are various factors which are responsible to make somebody's social behaviors. Understood? If somebody is not talkative, or he is very bad talkative, or he is good talkative, he behaves properly, these all factors, these all behavior is definitely depend upon various factors around himself. There are various factors like education. First of all, if the person is educated or non-educated, that also gives some effects on our behavior. Then financial status, whether he is rich, poor, middle class, these factors are also affecting its behavior. Then garden means somebody visits garden or not, because in garden we can meet a number of people whom we not knowing, then also we can talk or make new friends. That is the behavior of the person changes when he visited the garden. So gardens are also responsible for somebody's behavior. Then social and physical condition of the surrounding means where he is living, the area, their social and physical condition also affects the behavior of the person, whether it is very area or very posh area. Likewise the social environment of the surrounding means the people which are living in that area are communicative or not, or they are gathering together for conducting some function, or they are gathering together to help somebody in that society. This all criteria also affect the social behavior of the person. Then residential area, that means what? Social and physical condition, that is same thing. The residential area, whether he is living in very slum area or he is living in the well developed area with all sanitary facilities, these all also affect the social behavior or social health of the person. Social behavior means social health only. Then water facility, if somebody is not having a proper water facility, definitely if, starting from the morning he is fighting for the water or fetching the water, then definitely his social behavior won't be good with other, because he has to fight with them for the simple thing that we are getting it easily, but few people are not getting it. They have to carry this water from very long place and to do their daily household work, and definitely they won't get time to do something else, some extra works. Understood? And that will definitely affect its social behavior or social health. And likewise the toilets, because they are the basic needs of the our livelihood, and if we are not getting the proper toilet facilities or proper toilets or sanitary facility, then definitely it will affect our social health also. Then political condition means the view of that politician who is handling that area also affect the social behavior of the area people, because if the politician is making only gangs and making the people of that area to fight with each other or fight with other society, other area, then definitely the same thing will be developed, and the people in that area will have fighting spirit or fighting social behavior with others. Likewise, the political condition of the area means the view of that politician also affect the social behavior of the person. Then playground means if playgrounds are there, then definitely the people or the children in that area will have good physical build, and if they are having a good physical build, definitely they are having a sports spirit, and their social behavior may also affect likewise. Then social treatment means whether the people of that area are getting good treatment or not, means how the other are responding to him, whether they are talking him with politely or by scolding. Likewise, definitely change its social behavior. Understood? If we are not talking good with the children of the sweepers, in our servants in our house, definitely it will affect their social behavior and they will behave likewise. So we should respect all and every person to whom we are contacting. We should not respond him according to his background. That we should take care of, because it will definitely affect his or her social behavior. Then social safety, definitely if the person is not feeling safety in the area where he is living or in the house where he is living, and it will also affect the social behavior. Like if we are here, as we are getting the social safety due to our parents are giving us so much safety, so we feel safe and secure in our house. That is what the factor we are not, we are having a normal or better social behavior with other. But if somebody is not having the safety point of view in the area he is living or in the house he is living, means if there is always fighting in the house, or if the father is not not willing to give some safety to us, means every time he is coming and scolding, or he is always drunken, such many factors are there due to which the person feel insecure. Such type of behavior also affect the social behavior of the person. Likewise, the transport facility, because from where we are living, and if we have to walk along to get somewhere, then definitely it will affect our social behavior, because we can't approach too much more higher distance. So this transport facility should be good enough to improve our social behavior. Understood? Then education and job opportunity, definitely if we are not getting a proper education facility, and due to which we cannot fetch the job competition, then it will also affect our social behavior. Then satisfying basic needs, if we are not satisfying our basic needs like food, clothing and shelter and medicine, then it will also affect our social behavior. You can observe the children in the street or children in the slum area behave something miserable as compared to the children in the higher society or in children in the middle class family. This is because these all factors are there which are responsible to change the social behavior of the people in that particular situation.